Are you trying to hug me, dude? I mean, what the fuck? Are you trying to kiss me, bro? I mean, I'm in the romance, not bromance.
You can bromance my stones if you want.
Romance the stones.
You better watch my motherfucking stones, you know what I'm saying?
Ain't no romance without finance. That's the real shit.
Okay.
Give me my Zippo. Give me my Zippo.
I don't have your goddamn Zippo.
Give me my Zippo. I'm blocking every fucking shot. Give me
really?
a Zippo. Give me a Zippo. Give me the Zippo. You ain't getting me. You better get as close as you can. I was gonna kick his leg and sweep the living shit out of him.
You were? No, I don't know where we're going. You see that? Just let you know he just fucked himself up. He thought he had me. You never get to wolf. Never get to wolf, bitch.